2004 Jetta Mark IV TDI engine. Let's replace the starter. First, remove the battery. $13mm. Battery hold down bracket. Battery hold down tray bolts, 4 of them. 10mm bolt heads. $10mm bolt head. Remove the battery tray. Remove the negative battery cable from the starter solenoid. Remove this plug from the starter solenoid. Push in on these 2 wire tabs, squeeze them together. Remove the nut underneath this plastic bracket that holds all these wires together. That is located on the bolt that goes through this hole. This is what you need with a 13mm socket to get to this bolt. Just like this. There's another nut down here that also mounts this bracket to the starter. Pull the 2 brackets off the studs and out of the way. Now use an 18mm socket. Use an 18mm wrench to take the 2 bolts out that hold the starter on. Keep recording. This is what held the bracket on the end. After removing the lower bolt, the starter can come out. Put the new starter in with the 2 long bolts. Once the main bolts are in and tight, put the brackets back over the studs and secure the nuts on top of them. Once you have this bracket and this bracket back over the studs with the nuts reinstalled and tightened, first reinstall the negative battery cable. Then reinsert this plug. Reinstall the battery tray. Reinstall the battery. Let's give it a try and see how it works.
Whoa, shot up that.
Nice.